All right, guys. I just wanted to show you guys a happy birthday neon sign, which is RGB light. All right. Now, this one, we set it up to automatically to change all the different types of colors. It's perfect for any atmosphere, especially if you're going to put a candy place like this. Like we had a little stand where we had all these candies and goodies. And we just want to make sure that everybody knows it's a birthday party. Not only is it remote, you can also use your app. There's an app for this, and once I didn't even set up the app. I just ended up plugging the USB. One cable goes to the back, plug it into the wall. It's a USB, and then that's pretty much it. You let it go. This was the highlight of the table. It was a little too bright, but it made the whole table look rare, really, really beautiful. And not only that, everybody liked the sign, and they asked me where did I get it. Well, you know where to find it.